Hey, so today I want to talk about something that's forgotten in a lot of marketing strategies today, and that's incorporating live events. Combining live events with your digital and traditional marketing can really boost your practice's profile and even patient engagement. So let's take a look at why a grand reopening event could even be a game changer for you. So live events like dental health seminars increase brand visibility and allow direct interaction with potential and current patients. This fosters trust and loyalty. Plus, they're perfect for hands-on experiences with your services. And that can leave a lasting impression way more than just experiencing you online. Feedback from these events offers immediate insight for you to refine your offerings. And don't forget, capturing these event moments provides authentic content for your digital platforms, and that enhances your online presence. So now let's consider a grand reopening event. Whether you are doing a reopening, or maybe you just did some renovations, or maybe you just spruced up your website, it's a really good opportunity to do a grand reopening event. And it's not just a celebration, but it's a powerful marketing tool. You can showcase any facility upgrades or new technologies or services, or even introduce new staff. Maybe you got a new associate, you can introduce them as well. It's a really good opportunity to have people in to meet them in person. It's also an excellent opportunity to re-engage past patients, as well as attracting new ones, of course. All the while you can generate buzz in your community and online. So incorporating live events, especially a grand reopening, into your marketing strategy offers a really unique benefit that digital or traditional methods just can't match. And they build real-world connections that boost your digital engagement. Thanks for watching. Remember, a grand reopening isn't just an event, it's a strategic move to elevate your practice. Until next time, talk to you soon.